Hi, I'm Don from Don Hairport, and today I'm going to show you how to do a buzz cut, i.e. one length all over. You'll need your set of clippers, and you can also try and get a set of clippers, if you haven't bought them already, that have the attachments with them. They'll either be 4 or if you're lucky you get 8. So now we're going to attach the attachments to the clipper head. There'll either be a slide on, like this one, or there'll be a clip on. You attach them there and the clip on at the bottom. Always make sure the clipper head is flush to the attachment. So it's not like that, it's all the way pushed down as far as it will go to the clipper head. Now what you want to try and do is always go towards the direction against the direction of the hair. So starting off at the sides, whichever length you want your hair to be, if it's a 2, 3, 4, number 1, we're going to start off at the sides and we're going to go against the growth. All the way up, all the way up. You're going to work your way around from the sides, round the back to the other side. Once the back and sides are done, then you're going to work on the top, going front to back. Go it slow, just to make sure you get every strand of hair. And keep going over and over and making sure all the hair is cut. You can also cross-check by going side to side. Once you've done that, it's now time to move on to the perimeter and how we do that. So now, to cut the perimeter of the hair round the hairline, we're going to use the corner edge of the clipper blade. So, using the corner of the edge, just turn the clippers on, using the finger just to hold the ear down. You're going to use that corner of the clipper head just to go around the hairline, around the ear. Now don't go too high, don't take too much hair off. Always take off a little bit at a time. All the way, work your way around the ear. Now when you get to the back of the hair, now you're going to flatten the clipper head. So you're going to make sure it's flat to work your way down to the side of the back. Carry that through on the other side. Once you've done that and you've gone all the way down to the lower neck, now you're going to cut your line across the back of the neck, which you would do using the flat end of the clipper head onto the neck, like so. Once you've done that, use the flat end of the clipper head just to clean up any hair around the neck. Once you've done that, you're complete, you've got your buzz cut. Good luck, thanks for watching and stay safe.